Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the last question. Question number 30 of General Mains 2016 physics paper. So let us solve this one. Question number 30. Friends, let us solve the question number 30. It says a common emitter configuration. There is a common emitter configuration where this is a case of transistor. We know that in case of a transistor, this is emitter, this is base, this is collector. This circuit and this circuit. I am not writing the voltage that I am supplying here, but it depends on the PN transistor. But basically, this is emitter, which is common to both the input and output circuit. So this is common emitter configuration. So in common emitter configuration, alpha and beta have their usual meanings. We know that alpha is defined as the current, collector current, alright. Divided by the emitter current. Okay, this is emitter current. That is IC over IE. This is your alpha. And what is beta? Beta is collector current over base current. That is beta is IC upon IB. Okay. Now we also know that for any transistor, whether it is PNP or NPN, we have the relation, that is emitter current is base current plus the collector current. You can apply Kirchhoff's voltage law or current law also. This relation varies. Now, if I want to divide this by IC over this equation, this will be IE over IC, this will be IB over IC, and this will be IC over IC. And I will take this as 1 upon IC over IE. This I will write 1 over IC over IB, and this is 1. IC over IE is alpha, so this is 1 upon alpha, this is 1 upon beta that we have just described, and this is 1. If I see that, then 1 upon alpha is 1 upon beta plus 1, 1 upon alpha is 1 upon beta plus 1, this is correct. But our aim is to find incorrect relations. That you have to remember, it's not about correct relations, it's about incorrect relations. This one is correct. Now we'll see what else possibilities there, whether this one is correct or not. Alpha is this. Okay, I'll put alpha as the subject. Then from here I'll get 1 upon alpha is 1 plus beta divided by beta. Take the LCM. From here I'll have one more relation, that is alpha equals to beta divided by 1 plus beta. This relation is also correct. So alpha is beta divided by 1 plus beta. This relation is also correct. Now we have to see, that means if that is the case, then this is not correct. So this is the wrong answer. and that is the answer to our question. This is the wrong answer. This also is the wrong answer. So therefore, to this, the option number 2 and 4 is incorrect. That is the answer to this question, because we have to pick the incorrect questions, not the correct questions. So this is the incorrect relation. These are the incorrect relations. These are the correct relations. These are correct. These are incorrect. And we have to choose the incorrect questions. So these are the two options which are incorrect, but these are the answers. The answers are to this question is 2 and 4. This is the answer to this question. Okay. Thank you.